Hi guys, welcome to fourth grade. I am Mr. Johnson and I'll be your teacher, and I just wanted to introduce myself in this quick video and let you know a little bit about this week. So this week we are going to be having some meetings with families and setting those up throughout the week, and you're going to have one job to do each day, and that is to go in and log into Seesaw and make sure that you listen to the daily message. And then within that message, there's always a question that I'd like you to answer. And you can always answer it however you feel with whatever tool you feel you'd like to use that day on Seesaw. You can just write a quick note and type it in there. You can use the draw feature. You could also just make a short video and then post that back on the assignment. However you want to respond is totally up to you. Today, our first question deals with what are your feelings towards getting started with school again? And so my answer to that, and I always answer each question every day too, my answer is number one, I'm excited. I'm excited to get going again and get moving. I'm also a little nervous. I didn't know if I'd feel that or not being virtual and knowing that I'm going to start virtually. But even with that, I'm excited, but with that excitement, there's a little bit of nervousness too. So I'm so excited to get to meet all of you and really get to know you guys and let you guys get to know me too. And so I look forward to a great start with you. So figure out how you want to answer that question, and then have a great first day of fourth grade, guys. Make sure if you ever have any questions at all, always reach out to me quickly and I'll get back to you right away. That could be your parents through email. That could be just messaging me on Seesaw or some of the other platforms that you're going to start to use in the future here. So let's have a great first day.